Hello friend, Satish Tiwary here from Mythical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. Today we are going to learn how to secure your Kali Linux and how to lock or unlock root access. Okay, so let's have a look. So by default you can see the username is Kali and the password is Kali. Log in with this Kali user. Now what we need to check whether the root is activated or not. So if you want to know about the root user, first of all you have to open the terminal and then you have to type here passwd -s and the username. So it's asking you must need root permission, so just type here sudo, okay, and the password for user Kali. And what you see here L, that L denotes that user is by default locked. Okay, so right now the user is locked. How you know the user is locked? You see this option L stands for lock. Now first of all you have to set a password. Okay, so let me set a password for this user to unlock this user. So sudo passwd root. Now set a new password, suppose red hat, repeat red hat, and successfully done. Now you want to log in through the root user. You can first check the status. So just check the status of the root user now, and now you see, before you see L here, that is locked. Now you see P here, it means password protected, okay, or password set. So let's log out from here and also log out from the system, this new user. Okay, so log out and let's try to log in with the root. So log in with the root, password red hat, and see I am able to log in with the root user now. So right now I am logging with the root user. You can see I am logging with the root user. If you want to see, you can see that has symbol here, and if you want to check, you can simply type who am I, and it's saying you are logging with root. So you have seen I have logged in with root user. Now if you want to lock this user, you can lock this user. You can lock the root user. For locking, let's log out from here. Again log in with the Kali user. Once you log in with this user, now I am going to log this user. Okay, so how to log the user? To protect root user. Okay, so if you want to protect root user, okay, you can log this user. How you can log this user? Simply type here sudo passwd -l and the name of the user root. Okay, and now what you see here, password change, whatever you see, and now you just see the status of that user using sudo passwd -s, status of this user. And now you see user locked. So now if you log out and try to log in, it will not allow you to log in. You can see I am showing you. Just log out and try to log in with the root user. It will not allow you. Password red hat, and see it's not allowing me. Incorrect. Try again try red hat. See, it's not allow you to log in. Why it's not allow you to log in? Because we have logged this user. Now if you want to unlock, you can unlock. How to unlock? Let me show you again. So first log in with the Kali user, open the terminal, and in the terminal what you need to do, you need to type here same command passwd, and in place of -l you have to type -u. U stand for unlock. And now this user has been unlocked. Now if you want to check the status, simply check the status, and now you can see password set P here. It means now you are able to log in through the root user. Okay, so this root user has been disabled, actually enabled. Okay, and password set, now you can log in. So let's try again. Log out. Now try to log in as a root password red hat, and here it is. You can see now you can log in with the root user. Why you are able to log in with the root user? Because we have unlocked the user. root. So in this way you have learned how you can secure your Kali Linux lock. Okay, so how you can secure your Kali Linux by locking unlocking root access. So if you want to lock or unlock the root user, you can simply do it. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section.